Look again. You're not done yet. With life lessons from random objects. Stand in front of the mirror. Look into your own eyes. Do you recognize the person staring back at you? The one who's been through pain, pressure, and silence, yet still stands? Now ask yourself, are you truly done? Or are you just tired of trying alone? Remember, the world doesn't applaud your struggle. It waits for your results. But the fire that builds those results? It's hidden. In your daily choices, in your lonely fights, in the moments no one claps, but you keep going anyway. And while you're searching for answers, everything around you is quietly teaching you what a mirror can teach you about life. Look at this mirror. It never lies, right? It shows you exactly who you are: messy hair, sleepy eyes, or killer smile. But it also shows one thing people forget: the only person who can change your life is already in front of you. So stop blaming the world. Fix your face, fix your focus, and go own your day. The motivation served with reflection. KP Creations. The pen talk, write your own story. You hold a pen up. This little pen has seen it all: success stories, breakup letters, exam failures, and $1 million ideas. But here's the catch: it only writes when you hold it. Life's the same. No one else is gonna write your story for you. So grab the pen, start messy, but make it legendary. KP Creations, real talk, real vibes. Life lessons from a chappal. You casually hold or point to a slipper. This chappal? Yeah, it stepped on stones, mud, even kachra. But it still keeps moving, still protects you. And when it breaks, you don't sit and cry. You fix it or you find a new pair. Life's the same, no matter how dirty it gets, just keep walking. The path changes, but the journey? Still yours. Motivation from the ground up. KP Creations. The charger truth. You hold or point to a charger or plug one in. You know what happens when your phone's battery hits 2%? You drop everything and run to plug it in. But when you hit 2% mentally, physically, emotionally, you just keep going, draining yourself. Here's the truth: even machines stop without charge. Why don't you? Take a break. Reboot. Recharge. Because when you're powered up, everything else runs smoother. Power up with KP Creations. Flower. Teachers bloom anyway. This flower didn't ask if the soil was rich, didn't wait for perfect weather. It just bloomed. No excuses, no drama. Just silent growth and pure beauty. Be like that, grow where you are. Shine even when no one's looking. Scissors. Says, cut it off. Scissors don't hesitate. They cut what no longer fits, what holds things back. So why do you? Snip the doubts, trim the negativity, cut the excuses. Because growth needs space. And sometimes, a clean cut is the beginning of a better shape. 3 pen stand table. Tells, stay grounded, stay useful. This table? It carries the weight of your chaos, books, work, life. It stands quietly, never showing off. But without it, nothing stays in place. Be the table. Strong. Stable. Unshaken. Because the ones who hold it together rarely scream for attention. The curtain. Not everything needs to be seen. A curtain hides the mess, filters the light, and protects your peace. It knows when to open up and when to close off. Lesson: Not everything in life needs to be on display. Sometimes, peace comes from privacy. Learn to draw the curtain when needed. As I said before, while you're searching for answers, everything around you is quietly teaching you. A mirror shows you truth, raw, honest, unfiltered. A flower blooms at its own pace, a lesson in patience and growth. A pen keeps writing, even after mistakes, just flip the page. Scissors cut what no longer serves, sometimes you must let go. A curtain may hide the mess, but behind it lies your truth. These simple things. They don't speak, but they guide. Stop waiting for a sign. You are the sign. You are the power you've been searching for. You are the storm, the calm, and the comeback. So wipe that doubt. Straighten your back. And walk back into the world like you own your scars. Because you do. This life. It's yours. Don't waste another second living like you're not enough. Because from this moment, you rise. This is not the end. This is the moment. You begin again, KP Creations. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you felt even a spark of motivation, don't forget to like, share it with someone who needs it, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Your support means the world, it keeps us going and creating more for you. Stay inspired, stay strong, and remember, KP Creations will always be here with something meaningful just for you. See you in the next video.